Hi guys, good morning! Hindi ako nakapasok sa work ngayon. We have a snowstorm since last night and still going on. Look, it's full of snow. Oh my gosh. Kahit yung porch namin, pinasok ng snow. Grabe snow. Man. They said it's 10 inches snow today. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Ooh. Ooh. Grabe kapal ng snow ngayon. Ooh. Ooh. Kapag tuloy-tuloy pa to, man. Ooh. Ooh. Tataas lalo ang snow. Grabe. Ooh. We're going to have a drive around the property and take some foods for our Herbert's daughter and family. You can see. Man, it's snowed everywhere. And it's still snowing. Look at that. What's guys? What's around? This is how. Oh man, scary. Hey, see that guys? Man, I need to be careful. This whole truck is working too good. Man, it's scary. It did good. We managed to. Yeah. It's just so beautiful when it snowed. But it's gonna be nasty tomorrow. Wow. Look at that around. See? Oh, it's so beautiful, beautiful, and very cold. Snow is so thick. Look, look, it's so thick. Man, how many inches? Huh? I'm here. I'm here. Hi, Duck. Are you playing, Duck? You like the snow? Do you like the snow? No, I'm not playing with you. Hello. Hi. Don't you know how huge you are? Don't you know how huge you are? You're very big and enormous cat. Oh, hello, guys. I need to go out again because I need to feed the chicken. Look at them. Poor chicken. They're cold. Look. They're eating the skin. Okay. Look. Ooh. Sorry guys. You gotta stay warm guys. Okay. Look. They still able to lay eggs. Come on, King. You go play, King. Come on, King. Go run and play, King. Come on, King. Oh, come on, King. We go, King. We go. King, come on. We go, King. Come on, come on. We go. Go, go. We go. Wow, look at the snow. Come on, King. Run, run. Are you not cold, baby? Come on, run, run. Come on. Wow, it's getting stronger again. I think it's still gonna snow the whole night. Man, look. Oh man. It's so thick. It's the first time that we have this too much snow.